Being a homeowner isn't easy. You've invested so much into your home, but it feels like there's always something breaking down. A fridge that stops cooling, a washing machine that quits mid-cycle, a TV that flickers and dies. Or worse, your air conditioner goes out and you're left dealing with the heat or the cold. The costs pile up, and it's not just the money, it's the time, inconvenience, and constant stress. Repairs, replacements, emergency calls. It never ends. You fix one thing and something else needs attention. Appliances that should last years are wearing out sooner, and every time you think you've solved the problem, another one pops up. The cost of being a homeowner feels like an endless battle. Here's the thing. When an appliance goes out, it's rarely due to one specific event. It's usually from long-term damage caused by silent power surges, voltage dips, and small outages. These issues weaken your appliances over time, making them fail years before they should. But it doesn't have to be this way. Our professional-grade home protection package stops this hidden damage. Our online UPS, surge protectors, and advanced power strips protect your home's appliances from daily electrical wear and tear, preventing costly breakdowns. Sure, you could buy cheaper equipment online, but those products often offer only basic protection that may fail when you need it most. Our equipment is designed for long-term, reliable protection, giving you peace of mind. Think about how much you've spent on repairs. Hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars, all because of electrical issues you can't control. Our protection package safeguards your home, extending the life of your appliances by 25 to 50%, saving you time, money, and stress. It's not just about the money. It's about knowing the things you rely on every day are protected. No more surprise repair bills, no more scrambling to replace something that should have lasted longer. Let us protect your home from the inside out, so you can spend less time worrying about breakdowns and more time enjoying your home. We are Cardinal Power. Powering your home, protecting your future.